Hey guys, so I have got my hands on the AirTags, and this will be the first look of AirTags. I have them right here. So excited, and also the Belkin keyring as well for the accessory. So I'm so excited. So stay tuned. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date for different videos that come out for reviews with Apple, food reviews, etc. We're all here on this channel exploring, and so come along the journey. So let's go ahead and get right to it. This is the first look. I haven't really seen them in person. They didn't have them out at the Apple store. I did pick these up. I picked this up as well as the accessory in store. Nobody has an accessory, and it won't be out until June. So I had to get something before June before I can get that. Sorry in advance for the audio. It's windy out here. I wanted to do a different location, different area instead of being inside. So yeah, the official AirTag, guys, it's here after like 2 years of waiting for an AirTag, which they did get a persistent AirTag in place where they have good privacy as well with this. So they made sure that your privacy was protected before releasing this. So it's well worth the wait for what they did to perfect to make sure that you weren't tracked by random people that you weren't aware of. All right, so here we go. Let's take it out. All right, so connect. Have just the information there. So the AirTags is there, and it has finally came. So it's set up. This is very exciting. So you in the Find My app, there we go. So it has it there for me. I can play the sound. There we go. And that allows you to find it. If it is within your house, you can be able to find that, or wherever you are. If you're close to it, you can get in a persistent location with the sound, and it gets a little louder, etc., etc. So yeah. Now I'm going to do, let's see, I'm going to do the Find My, and all right, so okay, here we go. So it has me going to the left. All right. Boom, perfect. Absolutely amazing. I love that. That's awesome. So AirTags is out. One AirTag is $29, and then if you need a 4-pack for different items, that is $100. And they are available now, so you can go ahead and order them. The pickup, if you are nearby an Apple store, the pickup process is really fast with COVID and everything, so definitely check it out. Here's the AirTag. So let me know in the comments below before I get blown away by this wind. If you are planning on getting an AirTag, it's definitely nice if you don't really have any tracking things for your items. It's a really nice product, and it's not that expensive. Also, just to let you know that this only lasts about a year with the battery wise. It is replaceable, and you can get these like small little, it's like watch batteries from like a convenience store or something. So that's the only thing about it. It's not really rechargeable, or it won't last like forever, or etc. So just know that you will have to get a replaceable battery. But yeah, that's the AirTag. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for another video, and I will see you in the next one. So stay safe out there, and bye. I was not recording.